IVM.
Hi, it's time to relax and enjoy Smile India with me, Shifa Maitra. Let's celebrate what's going right. The news that's truly heartening comes from the government's Women and Child Development Ministry, where they're trying to amend the legal marriage age for women in India. Currently, it's at 18, but soon could become 21, which totally makes sense now that women are getting educated and working in much larger numbers. This move will be great for women's health as they will be mothering children at an age where they're physically and mentally better equipped for it. So now women and men will be at par in this sphere. Here's hoping more women get a chance at living their dreams beyond marriage. Now let me tell you about a museum in Mumbai that film buffs will love. Actually, the ones who love old film songs should definitely have a look. It's the Mohammad Rafi Museum set up in his home, Rafi Mansion. His fan clubs were keen on it and the family agreed when they saw their enthusiasm. They had always preserved the late singer's favorite things. So at this museum, you see his awards, records, and most importantly, his personal artifacts. His reading glasses, the little radio that always traveled with him, the telephone he used. What's wonderful is that a family member takes you on the tour personally and transports you to a simpler era. Another delightful news comes from Manipur. Given that we are still living in tough times, listening to stories of people who put humanity first is heartening. Laibi Oinam is an auto driver in Imphal, and one day she was outside the city hospital and she saw something that moved her. A young girl had been discharged after being declared COVID-free, but the ambulance was not willing to drop her home since she was from another district. Instinctively, Laibi offered to drop her in the auto. The patient was most grateful and they set off. Laibi drove over 100 kilometers for 8 hours and dropped the patient home. The locals there praised her and even the chief minister heard about it. He came personally and awarded her with a cash prize of over 1 lakh. Really, a good deed never goes unrewarded. There is a person in Mumbai's Bhandup area who also deserves to be appreciated. He runs a high-end salon in the area which was obviously shut and nobody knows when it will open. So while he had time on his hand, he decided to do something for the underprivileged. So once a week, after taking all safety precautions, he gives free haircuts to slum children. They are delighted and he gives them styles that they would never have been able to afford. The parents are happy because they would not be able to do this, and Ravinder enjoys seeing his little clients thrilled. Now it's time for you to do something as well. I know that between working from home and looking after the house, you are tired, but there's still something you can do. Just look around. When cooking, make a little extra and send it to a neighbor who's old or to a friend who's unwell. If you make some dessert, take a portion down to the watchman. When ordering groceries online, order a few treats for your maid's children as well. Do it for yourself. Believe me, it always works. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on IVM Network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on our social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, it's at Shifa Maitra on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time on another episode of Smile India.
I hope you enjoyed that show. I'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Paytm Money and Intel. We appreciate their support. It's been a fantastic week on the IVM network. I hope that you've been checking stuff out, but some of the highlights that you definitely should check out. Ashish Vidyarthi, host of Begin the Journey, was on Cyrus Says. They had a really fun conversation. I think you'll enjoy that. Uncle Please Sid did an episode around development, which was really, really fun. On Edges and Sledges, we had Adam Holyoke, former England captain. While those guys are killing it, one cricketer after the other. Definitely do check out Advertising is Dead. We talk about esports with some really guys who really know that space. Smile India, absolutely right. These guys are killing it as well. So is Pawan at Pragati. Don't forget The Original Things. Again, one of my favorite shows. You must check that out. And thanks for listening, and we hope to catch you again next week.
Advertising is dead. Yep, you heard me right. Advertising is dead. We're all in the content business now. Let's not call it news, TV, radio, etc., etc. It's all content, and we're in the middle of this weirdly exciting phase where all the borders and lines that have been drawn over decades has been swept away by this lovely thing called the internet. We're a show where we don't dwell on just the stuff that is now, but rather the wider stuff about advertising, media, content, and the whole goddamn circus surrounding it. Tune in every Tuesday for our weekly unboxing of the mystery box we used to call advertising. I'm Varun Dugirala, co-founder and content chief at The Glitch, and this is my new podcast, Advertising is Dead.